This is the Jameh Mosque of Yazd, a grand congregational mosque located in the central Iran. It is an old mosque dating back to the 12th century during the Alawiya dynasty. It was largely rebuilt in the 14th century. It was regarded as one of the outstanding buildings of the time. Domes and minarets are among the common features of Islamic mosques in Iran. Some believe domes symbolically represent the vaults of heaven, and minarets are tall towers situated at the corners of the mosque. They are used to call on people for prayers. The Jameh Mosque of Yazd is famous for its notable architecture. It is crowned by two minarets, which are the highest in the world. Each minaret is more than 52 meters high. The minarets appear like glittering turquoise gem, which could be seen from miles away. These are some prayer yards named Shabistan. They are mostly used in summer. Shabistans are usually found in traditional architecture of mosques in Iran. The architecture of mosques in Iran varies from region to another based on the local geometry, materials, and styles. There are different styles of tile work and symbolic patterns. This mosque is an excellent example of Iran's Islamic architecture. The architecture of the mosque is very complicated with various domes. Under the central dome, inside the mosque, there are smaller dome-like arches that are all decorated with colorful floral design tiles and are adorned with beautiful verses from the Holy Quran. From top to bottom of the portal's facade is decorated with dazzling ceramic tiles, predominantly blue in color. The walls of the portal are adorned with the holy name of Allah and verses from the Holy Quran written in Kufic and Thoth inscriptions. The mosque depicts masterpieces of Iranian calligraphy and tiling. The calligraphy is linked to geometry as the proportions of the letters are all managed by mathematics. The tile works depict the glorious masterpieces of Iranian art. One of the elements that all mosques of Iran have in common is the water pool situated in front of the entrance. The water symbolizes purity and cleanliness. The Jameh Mosque of Yazd is one of the tourist attractions in the ancient city of Yazd, and it is still in use.